So good day everyone, I am Luijan Binuya. I'm a reporter from Group 1. So our topic is the ethics and its subfield, lesson 10. So my part is to discuss to you the applied ethics. So this is the last part of ethics in its subfield. So let's start. So what is applied ethics? So applied ethics applies moral principle in real life situations. It helps people make ethical decisions in areas like relationship, work, politics, and social issue. So applied ethics means it helps us to apply moral principle. No, moral principle means by how we understand right and wrong. No, in real life situations. So um, by by knowing what is right and wrong is very important in our life, and also it helps us how to make ethical decisions, no. So by doing a proper behaviors, especially in relationship, work, politics, and social issue. So applied ethics helps us to understand how to be a good persons. So applied ethics means using moral rules and values to solve real life problems. It helps people decide what is right and wrong in everyday situations. So I have an example here. Example: a doctor must keep patient's information right, private. This applies the ethical value of respecting privacy in real life situations. So next is the function of applied ethics. So it helps people make good and ethical decisions in real life situations. It guides behaviors in areas like work, business, healthcare, organization, and society. So function of applied ethics helps us how to have good and ethical decisions. So by doing good, no, towards others, it is a proper, it is a kind of ethical decisions. Know how to have respect, how to have honesty, um, how to be a good person toward others. Especially, it guides our behaviors. Know how to have a good behaviors. So means using moral values to make the right choices in real life situation. It helps us to know how to behave properly at work, in business, healthcare, and society. So example, um, a worker finds customer lost money, so and returns it instead of keeping it. So the worker, instead of keeping the money, he returns it. So through what he do, this shows honesty and responsible behavior. So that is the example of function of applied ethics. So there are major areas of applied ethics that we discussed today. So first is the medical or bioethics. So medical or bioethics deal with problems about health, medicine, and human life. Doctor, doctors, patients, and families sometimes need to make difficult choices about treatment and life. So we say medical or bioethics. It is giving care, giving to our health, and also it deals with problems about health, medicine, and human life. So example of it are doctors. So doctors, they're the one who to take care of the patients, no, by by help them to heal. So and also family also have difficult choices about treatment and life. So there are example of it: abortion, euthanasia, organ donations, medical experiment, patient's right, giving permission to medical treatment, genetic engineering. So why medical or biotics is important? Because it helps protect people's lives, right, and well-being. So health are very important. So biotics it applies out how to take care of it. And next is environmental ethics. So environmental ethics is about how people should care for nature and environment. Our action can affect animals, plants, and future. So we know that human have duties to do. no, especially to take care the environment, because they are the one who responsible um, for our environment, no, towards how they treat animals, plants, and trees. So they have big tasks to take care, which is the our natural habitat, because without our environment, people would be lost, no. That's why ethics is very important in our environment. So there are examples: pollution, cutting down trees, climate change, improper waste disposal, protecting animals, saving natural resources. So this problem, actually we face it today in our environment. So through ethics, it helps us how to protect environment away from this kind of problems that we face today. So um, through environmental ethics, it teaches us to take care of our environment and use natural resources wisely. So that is the environmental ethics. So next is the business ethics. So business ethics deals with honest and fair behavior in business. Businesses should not only think about making money, they should also treat workers and customers properly. So we know that business are only they only business are only they only gain money, but the very important in business is how to have good behavior, no, as part of ethics. And it says here that business should not only think about money, so they also should treat workers and customers properly. So respect and values are very important in business, because it is part to how to have a successful business. So there are examples: giving fair wages, honesty advertising, fair prices, selling safe product, providing good working conditions, avoid bribery and corruptions. So through ethics in our business, it helps build trust between business, workers, and customers. So another is number four is professional ethics. So professional ethics refers to proper behavior expected from people in their jobs. Professionals should be honest, fair, respectful, and responsible. So we know that professionals, they are the one who work for government. So proper behavior are very important to them, no? And also ethics is very important because it helps them how to take care, or to be a responsible to others, especially in their jobs. So by giving honest, fair, respectful, and responsible to the others. So example of it: a teacher should treat student fairly. A doctor should keep patient and information private. A lawyer should be honest with clients. An engineer should make sure that the work is safe. So by doing proper jobs with values, professional um, should be professional should show their identity properly. So why it is important ethics in professional? Because it helps professional do their jobs properly and gain people's trust. So by doing their job properly, people would trust them, no, because of their values that they show to others. So number five is social ethics. So social ethics deal with problem that affects people and society. It focuses on treating people fairly and respecting their rights. So in our society, people, they have different problems that they face, and they have different opinions. They have different perspective in their life. But ethics helps us how to treat them fairly and with respect. So Example of it is poverty, discriminations, equality, human rights, social justice, equal opportunities. Whatever they have status in their state status in their life, we should respect them as a part of social ethics. So by giving fairly, by treating them fairly, no, it helps them. We can help them by doing good. So why social ethics are very important, because it helps create a society where people are treated with fairness and respect. So that is the importance of social ethics. And number six is political ethics. So political ethics deals with the behavior of government leaders and public officials. It focuses on how they should use their power and public money. So especially our government, they have power, they have authority, so they have everything to rule our society. But ethics are very important to them because it deals with their behavior, know how they should use their power in very good way, how they should use their authority that can help others, help the uh, can help people. So and ethics also helps them how to become a good leaders. So ethics is helps them how to use their power properly and public money. So there are examples: corruption, abuse of power, fair election, misuse of public money, protecting people's right, being responsible to the public. So this kind of examples are we face in our political. So especially corruption. So through ethics, it helps them how to solve corruption and any other problems that we face in our political. So political ethics, it encourage leaders to be honest, use their power for good of the people. So next is the technology ethics. So technology ethics deals with the proper and responsible use of technology. Technology is helpful, but it can also cause problem when people misuse it. So we know that today people they have gadgets, no? People they have cell phones, but ethics are very important to apply because it helps them how to use it properly, because there are a lot of problem that technology are they face today, no, because people misuse it. So example, cyberbullying, hacking, online privacy, identity theft, artificial intelligence, fake news, protecting personal information. So through ethics in our technology, it helps us how to be a responsible, how to use it wisely, that can also that cannot harm other people. So um, technology ethics are important because it teaches people to use the technology safely and responsibly. So another example of um, applied ethics is a doctor deciding what is best for a patient. No, when we know that doctor uses ethical principle to make a responsible decision that respect the patient's need and well-being. So by giving proper medication, doctor treat their patients. So by helping them and respect their decisions in their patients, it's also a example of applied ethics. So that is the example of applied ethics. So that's all, and thank you everyone. Have a nice day.